stop scrolling. What if I told you that in 2026, you can buy a drone that films in 8K, avoids trees by itself, and stays in the air for an hour, all for under $500? Sounds impossible, right? Well, the future is here. We tested 6 of the most hyped drones of 2026 for over 200 hours. We flew them through forests, over water, in wind, and even in light rain. Some crashed. Some impressed us. One of them actually saved itself from a tree. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone deserves to be in your hands. Number 3. It shoots footage that looks like Hollywood. Let's fly. Starting at number 1. DJI Air 3S. Best dual-lens drone. The DJI Air 3S's twin-lens camera system makes it one of the most versatile drones in its price class for video and photography. Its quad-Bayer camera system features a wide-angle lens for landscapes, plus a short telephoto lens that's good for inspections in real estate, both of which record stunning 10-bit video in SDR, HDR, or D-Log, and snap stills in JPG or DNG format. It's safe for beginners thanks to its 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, 45-minute battery life, and automated quick-shot flight paths. Pros can use it too, as it includes remote ID and waypoint support. It's heavy enough to require FAA registration, but easily stows in a small shoulder bag so you can take it on location. Content creators, the Air 3S records at up to 4K 60 and delivers excellent picture quality for stills and video, more than enough to get great video for YouTube, social media, and even indie film projects. It's easy to fly, too, and includes all-around obstacle sensors so you can concentrate on your camera work without worrying about crashing into a tree. Wedding pros, landscape artists, real estate photographers, if you use a drone to put food on the table, the Air 3S is a worthy investment. Its wide-angle lens captures epic landscapes and sunset shots, while the telephoto is handy for real estate photography. Number 2. DJI Flip. Best entry-level cinema drone. The DJI Flip is the perfect choice for first-time drone pilots and aerial imaging enthusiasts. The drone has a 249g takeoff weight, so it doesn't need to be registered with the FAA and includes built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors to support safe flight. The Flip includes a remote control in its basic configuration, but it can also be controlled using a smartphone app or on aircraft controls. Camera quality is top-notch, too. The drone keeps pace with flagship smartphones, offering excellent 4K 60 video and RAW or JPG stills at your choice of 12MP or 48MP resolution. Beginners, the DJI Flip is our favorite drone for beginners. It weighs 249g, so it doesn't require FAA registration, and includes integrated propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors to help you avoid accidents. Photo and video quality are excellent. The Flip takes photos at 12MP or 48MP resolution and records stabilized 4K 60 video with 10-bit color. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Best small drone with 360-degree obstacle avoidance. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is one of the most capable ultralight drones on the market, only surpassed by the newer Mini 5 Pro. It weighs just 249g with its standard battery, good for around 34 minutes of flight time, so you don't have to register it with the FAA. Creators who don't mind forms and fees should opt for the extended life battery, which extends flight time beyond 45 minutes. Full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, automated flight modes, and a quad-Bayer camera with 4K 60 HDR video round out the feature set. I especially like the APAS function, which helps the drone navigate complex spaces on its own, even at low altitudes. Content creators, the Mini 4 Pro's dual-aspect camera rotates and swaps between widescreen and vertical formats, making it an ideal drone for content creators who want to capture video for both a YouTube channel and a TikTok or Instagram Reels feed. It's exceptionally easy and safe to fly, too, so you don't have to be an expert to get good results. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. Best budget drone for vertical video. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the better entry-level drones available. Its camera is excellent, supporting 4K 30 video with an HDR look in either vertical or landscape orientation, as well as a 60-degree upward tilt. The photo quality is good, too. The camera supports 12MP JPG or RAW DNG snaps, while the f1.7 optics do a good job at dawn and dusk. Safety features include GPS, Find My Drone, and Return to Home. Its 249g takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration, you just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also appreciate the 38-minute flight times, although we wish DJI had incorporated obstacle detection into this model. Recreational flyers, the Mini 3 weighs just 249g, so it doesn't require FAA registration, and is a good choice for drone pilots who fly for fun. Its safety features include an integrated GPS that keeps the Mini 3 steady in the air and supports a return-to-home function, although note that it omits optical avoidance. Number 5. Potensic Atom 2. Best registration-free drone with remote ID. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that DJI isn't the only brand capable of producing a good drone. The 249G quadcopter avoids registration requirements, captures high-quality video and still images, and includes the remote ID module required for professional use. It has a 4K 30 camera with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, steady video, and snaps stills at 12MP or 48MP resolution, with a raw DNG option available for shutterbugs. It proved reliable in testing, featuring a long-lasting 32-minute flight battery and a dedicated remote control. Beginners, the Atom 2 is a good drone for beginners. Its camera captures good-looking photos and stabilized 4K 30 video, and its price is quite attractive, especially when you remember that it includes a remote control in the box. It doesn't have obstacle avoidance, so you'll need to take some care when flying near trees or buildings, but even so, the Atom 2 is a fine choice for your first drone. Number 6. DJI Avata 2. Best racing drone. The DJI Avata 2 is an FPV drone, one in which you see the camera view through a set of low-latency VR goggles with head tracking. A Type 1/1.3 nose-mounted camera records at 4K 60, while its motion-sensitive remote supports 30 mph flight for thrill seekers. Built-in prop guards keep it flying after minor bumps, downward-facing sensors enable low-to-the-ground flights, and an upgraded battery provides up to 23 minutes of operating time between charges. If you slow things down a bit, you can even channel your inner Scorsese and Wells with sinuhoop-style long takes. So after 200 hours of flight time, 6 drones pushed to their absolute limits, and 1 near crash into a lake, these are the best drones 2026 has to offer. Whether you're taking your first flight or upgrading your filmmaking kit, there's something here for you. My personal pick is number 1. It sits in my car everywhere I go because you never know when the perfect shot appears. All links to check current prices and bundles are in the description below. These deals fly away fast, pun intended. Now I need to know, where would you fly first? Mountains? Beach? Your backyard? Drop it in the comments, I read every single one. If this video helped you take off, hit like and subscribe for more 2026 tech. Now go capture something beautiful.